Hi everyone, I'm Uncle Ray. In this video, I'll walk you through assembling the blooming rose ring box step by step, hoping to help you clearly understand how to put this model together. First, remove all the support. 4 parts provide support: receptacle, petal base T, petal base M, and petal base B. Check whether the positioning pin can smoothly insert into the slot of the stem and the bottom of the bolt. Insert the bolt into the receptacle. There is a mark in the center of the receptacle. Align the bolt's flat surface with this mark when inserting. Next, assemble the short stem with the receptacle. Just like the bolt, align the stem's flat surface with the mark when inserting. Then insert the locking pin into the slot on the stem and push it all the way in. Check that the bolt rotates when turning the stem. Screw the bolt into the petal base B and check that the center section of the base can move up and down. Install the petal base M onto the top of the petal base B. Both components have arrow markings. Align the 2 arrows and snap them together. Keep the central sections of both petal bases at the bottom, then screw the bolts in place. Check again to see if the middle section can move up and down. Next, attach the petal base T. Align the 2 arrowheads as before and insert them. Keeping the central sections of all 3 bases at the bottom, then screw in the bolts. Align petal base B with the receptacle's arrowheads and insert them. Try twisting the stem clockwise to raise the central part and counterclockwise to lower it. Twisting the stem excessively may cause the petal base to detach from the receptacle, so avoid twisting too much. To avoid this, apply a small amount of superglue to the joint, but be careful not use too much. Next, install the petals, starting from the top with the small petals. Insert the petals horizontally. Each layer has 6 petals. When installing the 6th petal, position it behind the first petal so it is covered by it. The second layer uses medium-sized petals, and the third layer uses large petals. Follow the same procedure as the first layer. Twist the stem clockwise. The first time, you may need to assist the petals in opening manually. Try twisting the stem to control the flower's opening and closing. Finally, open the flower and attach the top part. To change the stem, remove the locking pin. Then remove the stem to be replaced. Insert the stem you need. Then insert the locking pin. Insert the flower pot into the base and twist clockwise to lock it in place. Last, insert the flowers into the pot, and the assembly is complete. If you think this video has been helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or feedback, leave your comments below. I'm Uncle Ray. See you next time.